Hi, welcome. We're going to show you how to make dosas at home. I, of course, learned from my husband who makes dosas for a living, and I was scared to start, but now I feel more confident and I'm going to show you what I know. First, you want to make sure that you have a nice hot pan. You want to use a non-stick pan. We use cast iron, but you can use any sort of non-stick pan that you have in your kitchen. You can buy dosa pans that are specifically for dosas and uttapams, but we use a cast iron and we find that this works just great. So we want to make sure that's hot. Then you get your dosa batter and you give it a nice few good strong stirs. You want to make sure your dosa batter is nicely mixed. And we use a ladle. You can use any type of ladle, but you want to make sure it has something kind of round on the bottom. You can use even a measuring cup. So you take the dosa batter, and you put it on the pan. I like to do a couple of turns. And you start in the middle, and you start to spread. You don't want to press too hard. Just like that.
Good job.
You can use any sort of oil you have at home. You can use olive oil, coconut oil, ghee, butter, canola oil, rice bran oil. I just used olive oil, and you just put a little bit on. You just drizzle it on top of the dosa, and then you let it cook. You turn your heat down to medium. You get a nice spatula.
Sure.
I love these spatulas. These are great. This is for fish. But we use it for flipping dosas. And see how the dosa batter is starting to bubble and get cooked on top? Once you see that happening, then you can take your dosa and you just go around with your spatula, and then you can turn it over, and then you cook your dosa on the other side. At about 30 seconds, I would just check it. And so here you go, it's nicely golden brown on top.
That's beautiful.
And this is ready to eat. And you can eat this with the chutneys, you can eat this with sambar. A nice plain dosa goes well with a lot of things.
This looks really good.
Yeah, you like it?
I like it.
And that's how you make a dosa.
This is delicious.